What if I told you that the key to unlocking your full potential was just 10 steps away? Imagine waking up every day feeling unstoppable, tackling challenges with ease, and achieving goals you once thought impossible. Well, get ready to transform your life because today, we're diving deep into the 10 ultimate strategies that will skyrocket your self-confidence and help you excel at literally everything. Hey there, go-getters and dream chasers. Welcome to another epic video where we're all about leveling up in life. I'm Iftikhar, and today we're going to unlock the vault of success and spill the tea on 10 game-changing strategies that will revolutionize how you approach life, boost your confidence through the roof, and help you crush it in everything you do. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because trust me, you don't want to miss out on the life-changing content coming your way. Now let's get into it. First up, let's talk about setting goals that light a fire in your soul. We're not just talking about any goals here. We're talking about crystal clear, compelling objectives that get you jumping out of bed every morning. Here's how to do it right. Be specific. Instead of I want to get fit, try I want to run a 5 kilometers in under 30 minutes by June 1st. Make them measurable. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Set a deadline. This creates urgency and motivation. Write them down. The act of writing makes your goals more tangible. Review regularly. Keep your goals front and center in your mind. Remember, your goals are your roadmap to success. Without them, you're just wandering aimlessly through life. Now let's talk about the secret weapon of high achievers, the growth mindset. This is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. Here's how to cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. See effort as a path to mastery, not a sign of inadequacy. Learn from criticism instead of ignoring it. Find lessons and inspiration in others' success. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your potential is limitless if you believe in your ability to grow and improve. You can't pour from an empty cup, folks. That's why radical self-care is non-negotiable if you want to be your best self. Here's what radical self-care looks like. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Nourish your body. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Move your body. Find physical activities you enjoy and do them regularly. Mental health matters. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or therapy. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain you. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential for your success and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, continuous learning isn't just an option. It's a necessity. The more you know, the more confident and capable you become. Here's how to embrace lifelong learning. Read widely. Books, articles, research papers. Diversify your knowledge. Take online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a wealth of options. Attend workshops and seminars. Network while you learn. Learn a new skill regularly, whether it's coding, cooking, or playing an instrument. Teach others. Teaching reinforces your own learning. Remember, every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Stay curious. You've probably heard that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So let's make sure those 5 people are pushing you to greatness. Here's how to optimize your social circle. Identify positive influences in your life and spend more time with them. Seek out mentors who've achieved what you aspire to. Join clubs or groups aligned with your goals. Limit time with negative or unsupportive people. Be the kind of friend you want to attract. Remember, your environment shapes you. Choose wisely who you let into your inner circle. Gratitude isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can transform your outlook on life and boost your confidence. Here's how to make gratitude a daily habit. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Express appreciation to others. A simple thank you can go a long way. Practice mindful gratitude. Really savor the good moments in your day. Turn complaints into gratitude. Find the silver lining in challenging situations. Create a gratitude ritual, like sharing gratitude at dinner time. Remember, focusing on what you're grateful for trains your brain to notice the positive in life, boosting your overall happiness and confidence. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. If you want to level up in life, you need to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Here's how to push your boundaries. Try something new each week, a new food, activity, or skill. Face a fear head on. Start small and work your way up. Take on challenges at work or in your personal life. Travel to new places and immerse yourself in different cultures. Speak up in situations where you'd usually stay quiet. Remember, every time you do something that scares you, you expand your comfort zone and build confidence. Elite athletes, successful entrepreneurs, and high achievers all use this secret weapon: visualization. It's like a mental rehearsal for success. Here's how to harness the power of visualization. Create a vivid mental image of your goal achieved. Engage all your senses in the visualization. Practice visualization daily, especially before important events. Combine visualization with positive affirmations. Use vision boards to make your goals more tangible. Remember, your mind can't always distinguish between a vividly imagined event and a real one. Use this to your advantage. Last but not least, make sure you're acknowledging and celebrating your progress, no matter how small. Here's how to celebrate effectively. Keep a win journal to record your daily accomplishments. Share your successes with your support network. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Practice positive self-talk to reinforce your achievements. Use celebrations as motivation for your next goal. Remember, every step forward is progress. Celebrate it. There you have it, folks. 10 powerful strategies to unleash your inner powerhouse, boost your confidence, and excel in everything you do. Remember, becoming your best self is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button and share it with someone who could use a confidence boost. Until next time, remember, you have greatness within you. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of.